Hello friends, welcome to my channel Skyline Academy, in which I'm posting videos related to solution manager functionalities. And today I'm going to share video configuration and the how to use the custom code management using SAP Solution Manager 7.2. This video will help you to recognize and identify unused, or if you have created many types of custom codes in different systems. So here you will find all together and options which are available in custom code management. So let's start today. So currently I'm on home page on my SAP Solution Manager Launchpad in my home, and now I'm going to the different options available in my Launchpad tiles. There's a option called custom code management. So let's click on that. So today just we got some options here what all these are. I will let you know. Let's uh, show and let's check. This is the city model. I'll show how it looks like. These are the different option and tiles. Define custom code library, access custom code library, objects, contacts, owner systems, decommissioning cockpit, custom code improvement, custom code reporting, custom code dashboard, and check data availability. So today we will cover the city model and custom code management retirement. How do you do, how can you do that? And later videos I'll check for other parts. So let's click on this and it will open a different page. Just let me click on that. So you can see here, this is the city model of custom code management. And this city model is having different systems here for which it has been configured. It will show the total number of custom codes created, modifications and enhancements. Here you can find here the some building blocks for custom codes with different options with the criticality from 1 to 5. Here the ranges, and you can see the types of the custom codes. Some are enhancements, modifications and other custom codes. Later you can, in below you can see this bar. This shows months, weeks and days. So currently we have clicked on months. Along with that it is showing the data. If you click on the date, weeks, it will show like this one. If this is the scroller which you can scroll as well, based on the selection it will check the data and it will give the information. Along with that you can also click on the days and you will see that. Here there are some, these are the system names for which it is done, and these are the quality of the object it is showing here as of now. Below you can see here there's a good, medium, low. Along with the categories as well there is NA, it means not identified. The quality of the objects, quantity and changes which is showing here, it is in quality, it is measuring. There are two options you are having here. You can see here, one is uses. If I click on the uses, it will give the uses, that how many are being used, how many are unused and not analyzed as well. Let's click on this one. Yeah, you can see here. So here you will find information that how it looks like, and based on the configuration, based on your scenarios, based on your uses, you can also use these options to check. This is a very good dashboard as well. If you want to present to your management that we can monitor it and we can remove from here, you can do that. And this is all together city model of custom code lifecycle management of objects, which comes by default from SAP, and you can use this functionality in your landscape to improve the custom codes quality and remove all custom codes which are not used in your landscape. Second thing I would like to show you here, that it is coming a decommissioning cockpit. I'll show later what is this decommissioning cockpit and how you can use, because it is a different topic altogether. Yeah, so in these videos I'll show you the decommissioning cockpit on overview, and detail we will discuss it later. So let's click on this one, decommissioning cockpit. Yeah, so you can see here this is decommissioning cockpit page has opened, and what all details we are having here. Let's see that. So decommissioning cockpit depends on three parts. First is the in your system, in your solution manager, custom code should be activated, configured properly, and the uses data is properly coming in solution manager, that which all objects are being used. I'll show how you can configure in later videos, but in these videos just overview we are showing that how you can use this functionality to improve the custom codes and retire those objects which are not useful. So analysis in process, analysis in identify wait phase, analysis completed. So based on the analysis report, it shows the object's status. If you want, you can see that. And from here, you can search systems as well. If you want to see the specific to system based on the solution manager, based on intelligence of SAP solution manager, it shows here. Just I have selected one system S4H, and I have selected and I have refreshed. Now you can see here in this overview, this pie chart is all clear that what percentage of objects are recommended for decommissioning, deleted, active in non-production, phasing out, and what is the status of the object. This is the life cycle status. In 99 it is deleted, and active in production comes as 40, but you can maintain it if you want to in customer namespace. And this is the number of objects showing here. The details coming here is fetch data for last 20 days. If you want to check, you can 120 days, you can see that how many objects are being created, and these are the analysis. So analysis in progress process list, if you click in this one, it will show that which is the analysis it being was created. So this was the analysis for created on 2017, and this for total number of objects rejected, and the recommended for decommissioning is giving this one. Facing out, the different options are available here which you can use in your landscape, and it will show all details related to object list as well. From here, if you want, you can go to object list as well, that which all objects are required for decommissioning. So let's see whether it works or not. I have clicked on object list. Oops, it's not working. So let me go back. Just give me a second, please. So by clicking on the object list, it was not working. So once you click, I'll show in different PPTs that how it looks like, what are the objects available there. But yes, now if you want to see that, you can see that, and it is available in your system. If you want to see in your system, you can also see that what are the options available there. Here as well, one thing that it contains all packages, application, object types, and owners as well, which you can differentiate and you can show to management and for you that It will be also good for you that yes, now we can decommission some objects. You can improve the quality of the objects, and it will overall, it is a application life cycle management. So life cycle would be maintained properly by using custom code management. So in these videos, बस इतना ही. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like these videos, if you want to comment, if you want to add some parts, if you want to uh, request some of the slides or some of the videos which you are not aware of in Solution Manager, you can let me know by comments, or you can also visit my website www.skylern.com, and you can definitely subscribe my channel for new videos for different topics. If you want some special videos for any topic, you can also uh, comment on the comment box, and I'll update video as requested. So thank you so much for watching my videos. In this video, that's all. Thank you so much. Bye.